Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status bar. After that, select Recent next to App Notifications and select the best option for you. I will go with Frequency. Now all you need to do is click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweaters. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!